we're diving into the madness of street racing and real police chases. Reckless drivers blast through traffic and bend every rule, but the law always comes knocking. Get ready for insane pursuits and scenes that feel unreal. If you're new here, welcome. This gets intense. During high-speed races, some drivers push the action way too far, even when the police step in, and that's when the real danger begins. Not for the racers, but for everyone watching. Here, I don't think we're looking at a real chase. On a setup like this, it feels more like a simulation, but a convincing one. Two police cruisers corner a Dodge Charger after a high-speed violation. The muscle car is trapped, engines blazing. Officers jump out with weapons drawn, but the driver refuses to surrender. He tries to ram his way out, metal grinding against metal, but the blockade holds. Seconds later, he's dragged out and arrested. That escape attempt didn't last long. High-speed chase. Those look like Aston Martins, right? Or am I completely off? Even if you're driving a supercar, don't try to play hero. The police will take your plate, cameras will record everything, and witnesses will fill in the gaps. If you're in the wrong, pull over. Running turns a simple ticket into a criminal record. Street takeovers, chaotic gatherings where drivers block roads to perform stunts, are exploding online. Streets become illegal arenas, cars drift inches from crowds, and one mistake can be fatal. It's illegal, dangerous, and absolutely not worth the attention.
Look, he's on the ground.
Police often deploy spike strips to stop fleeing vehicles, but those tactics can sometimes cause unexpected collateral damage. Motorcycle and quad races are monitored just as closely as car gatherings. The danger is the same: speed, risky maneuvers, and zero safety. These road rodeos disrupt traffic and turn the streets into illegal playgrounds. Police are cracking down, seizing vehicles, and issuing hefty penalties. It may look exciting on social media, but the risks and consequences are very real. Best avoided, period. In France, the moment a supercar revs its engine, police are quick to respond and a chase can begin in seconds. Authorities no longer take these antics lightly. One burst of speed is all it takes to trigger an immediate intervention.
Yeah, dude, get it!
A UPS delivery truck is speeding down the highway with more than a dozen police cars behind it. That's not a late package. Something is definitely wrong. What's inside? Regular parcels, something illegal, or a stolen getaway truck? Whatever it is, the police aren't taking chances.
Hell yeah!
Law enforcement needs vehicles adapted to their terrain. Without proper off-road capability, some fugitives simply vanish before the chase even begins.
It's a high-speed chase. They're chasing this van.
This family wagon must have done a lot more than speed for this many police cars to chase it. It looks like a festival on wheels. Even the flashing lights are part of the show.
APD, bro, in a real serious high-speed chase right now.
You want to impress everyone with your brand new off-roader? You rev the engine and instantly learn that was a terrible idea. Monaco, playground of supercars where engines roar and chases erupt. This is what it looks like when a police car puts pressure on a suspect. Is the officer pushing too far? That's for you to decide. At this speed, you really don't want to get caught. There's no detour, just a direct route to jail. This red car never stood a chance. One move from the officer, and it's surrounded before the driver even blinks. Here's a genius blocking a roundabout like it's his personal stage. Spoiler, the police don't applaud street performers.
Round and round he goes.
Playing cat and mouse with the police? You circle, you tease, you provoke, but in the end, someone always runs, and it's rarely who you expect.
Here he goes again.
There's a car chase right here.
This Dodge Charger police unit doesn't give anyone a chance. The driver filming thinks it's funny until things get very real.
I'm not turning on proper now.
Motorcyclists love taunting the police. They can slip through tight spaces and vanish where patrol cars can't follow. Officers know it. Sometimes the smartest move is to let go. This Ford Mustang looks like it's being chased. The driver loses control, jumps lanes, and keeps going like nothing happened. Ego and panic, a deadly cocktail. Can anyone explain if this is a chase? Because right now, it looks more like a slow motion parade. Focus on this Ford Taurus. Seriously, is this a pursuit or a prank? It feels like a blooper reel from a cop comedy. This BMW tries to escape. The officer steps out and tries to disable the car with his fists. Yes, punching a vehicle. That happened. How can someone block a road just to act like a fool? The police intervene, the driver keeps clowning around, and later, he's the one in handcuffs. Actions meet consequences. This isn't Back to the Future, this is Back to Space. Pure thrill, 0 cents. A chase starts against this BMW 5 Series. The police SUV tries to take it down, but flips itself instead. The scene is so unreal, we need another angle. Everyone loves supercars, and even officers, and when you see a Dodge Challenger like this one, it's easy to understand why. I don't know if this kind of situation is taught in the police academy, judging by this. Some officers lack experience. They pull over a speeder, step out together, and the suspect drives away. With that head start, there's no catching him. Police SUVs are beasts. Even against other SUVs, they can shut down a chase in seconds. One move, pursuit over. In England, they don't wait for trouble. Officers warn supercar drivers before they get carried away and turn the streets into racetracks. This happened in Toronto, Canada. A thief fled in a Porsche. But without the skills to control a machine like that, he was caught like an amateur. Many drivers wait for the moment the officer steps out of the car, and then they run. Dirty tactic, but common. Most officers avoid chasing motorcyclists. They can escape through paths no patrol vehicle can follow. Smart for the rider, frustrating for the law. You stayed until the end. That means you're one of us now. Your next mission is already waiting in your recommendations, and it's packed with pursuits you won't believe. Let's continue the chase.